Let us now start with creating our first funnel. Now, to create the first funnel, we need a product, we need a niche, and we need the content, the copy, and the structure, and also the type of funnel that we are going to use. So let us decide on the type of funnel and the landing page copy first using ChatGPT. So that's the ChatGPT screen, and I have decided on something like I want to create an online funnel, let's say for my ebook, and I need it to be persuasive enough to convert visitors into customers. So this is a paid ebook. Can you help me create one that includes a clear call to action? Okay, so I'll exclude all of these things for now. I want to create an online funnel for my book, and I need it to be persuasive enough to convert. What type of funnel would be best to promote my ebook and get some sales? Let's see what is the type of funnel that ChatGPT suggests us. To create an effective online funnel for your ebook, you can follow these steps. We can have a lead magnet funnel where the landing page offers a valuable freebie related to your ebook. Example, a free chapter, checklist, or mini guide in exchange for the visitor's email. Then we can have email sequences, sending a series of automated emails to nurture leads, provide more value, and build trust. And then we introduce our ebook with compelling copy, testimonials, and clear benefits. And then we can have the checkout page, simplify the purchase process with easy. So this is one funnel. The second funnel that we can have is a webinar funnel, where we promote a free webinar that covers key topics from our ebook. In the webinar, we deliver valuable content, engage with our audience, and subtly pitch your ebook at the end. Then we have follow-up emails. Then the third one is a tripwire funnel, where we have a landing page, offer a low-cost product, that is example a $7 mini guide to attract impulsive buyers. Upsell the page once they purchase the low-cost product, offer your ebook at a discount, and then a thank you page. So we can choose the type of funnel that we want to use. I would go with the first one, that is a lead magnet funnel. Okay, and we start with building a landing page. Start with building the landing page, the copy for the landing page, the structure for the landing page. We'll then build some email sequences, then a sales page, and then a checkout page. We'll do all of these step by step. Starting with the lead magnet funnel, I want to create a landing page for my ebook. Now this time not for my ebook, but for offering a valuable freebie related to my ebook. Now I might need here the exact topic of my ebook. Freebie, valuable mini guide related to my ebook, and for offering available in exchange for the visitor's email. Okay, I need it to be persuasive enough to convert visitors into leads. Can you help me create one that includes a clear call to action and highlights the key benefits of my book? Now the topic of my book could be is, let's say you are a HR professional and you help companies hiring people. So hire fast and hire right, helping businesses getting great hires. So that's the topic of my book. Now I press enter. So absolutely, Sawan, here's the structure for your landing page to offer a valuable mini guide related to your ebook, hire fast and hire right. Now here is the headline, the subheadline, the hero image, the key benefits, the call to action, a brief description, why trust us, some testimonials, email capture form, visuals, reinforcing the CTA. So that's the structure, and along with the structure we also have the example copy. So unlock the secrets to hiring great talent quickly is the headline. Get your free mini guide, top 10 tips for fast and effective hiring. Then we have speed up your hiring process, learn proven stage strategies, attract. So these are the 4 benefits. Then we have the CTA. Are you struggling? Why trust us? Then we have some testimonials. We respect your privacy. Unsubscribe. Don't miss out on this free resource. Get my free guide. So that's the copy of the landing page. The next is we will need an email sequence. Let's generate the content over here, and then we will step by step build out all the steps of the funnel in the next couple of videos. Awesome. Thanks for the landing page content. I loved it. So maybe if you want some changes to it, you can surely ask for some changes. I loved it. Now help me with an email sequence to nurture the leads, provide value, build trust, leading to introduction of my ebook. And asking them to click on the link to the sales page. Now this email sequence could go on for, let's say, 7 days. Okay, so I need a 7-day email sequence. Okay, let's see what we have. Here is a 7-day email sequence. So we get the email sequence, welcome email, that's when they sign up, tip number 1, tip number 2, and so on. So once we have the email sequence, then I'll be needing the copy for the sales page. Okay, so I just copy this again. I want to create a sales page for offering for my ebook to my existing leads or emails in my list who subscribed for the mini book. Okay, that's this. With compelling copy, testimonials, and clear benefits, I wanted to convert visitors into customers with, what did we have? With compelling copy, testimonials, and clear benefits. Also, I want to introduce my ebook pages for introduction of my ebook to my existing leads. I need it to be persuasive enough to convert visitors into customers. Testimonial, can you help me create the one that includes a clear to action and highlights the key benefits of the book? The topic of my book is Have Fast and Have Right, and so on. Okay, so once I get the sales page, I'll be needing the checkout page too. So I have the sales page copy. I can surely improvise it, work on it further, but yeah, that's the key idea, what you will learn. Testimonials, call to action, limited time offer, money back guarantee, FAQs, and reinforcing CTA, and we are done. So here is the sales page. The last that we need is the content for the, say, the checkout page. That's the last step of the funnel. Checkout page for my ebook that simplifies the purchase process with easy payment options and money back guarantee, along with reinforcing the benefits, the offers, and also create some urgency. So almost there. Complete your purchase of Hire Fast and Hire Right. Reinforce the benefits, speed up your hiring process, blah blah blah. Limited time offer, special discounts, money back guarantee, order summary, payment methods, customer information form, payment detail form, checkout buttons, security assurance, urgency and scarcity, testimonials, reinforcing call to action, and example copy. Now we have the copy of the entire funnel where I want to sell my ebook. The next stage would be to build the real funnel. So let's go to the next video. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.